Changing your SIM PIN on an iPhone 15 adds an extra layer of security to your cellular account, protecting your SIM card from unauthorized use if your device is lost or stolen. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, scroll down and tap on SIM PIN. Ensure that SIM PIN is switched on. If it's not, tap on SIM PIN and enter your current PIN code, then tap Done. Once SIM PIN is enabled, tap on Change PIN. Enter your current SIM PIN, then tap Done. Now enter your new PIN. It can be any combination you choose. After entering the desired PIN, tap Done. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm, then tap Done again to save. You should now see a confirmation that your SIM PIN has been successfully changed. Be sure to note this information so you won't have trouble using your SIM card in the future. Once you're done, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.